Hello guys, for today video, eto at magluluto tayo ngayon ng spaghetti. Dahil biyernes ngayon at walang pasok at gagawa tayo ng merienda na kakainin natin. Kasama na yung almusal, tanghalian, hapunan. Yan yung oras ng mga OFW dito sa abroad. At ito nga pala yung mga sangkap na gagamitin natin sa paggawa ng spaghetti. Gagamit tayo ng bawang, sibuyas, at itong carrots, at itong minced beef, yung giniling na baka, at siyempre itong spaghetti, at siyempre meron din ketchup, at itong ginagamit natin, ayan, matamis yan, at lalagyan natin ng paminta, at para lumasa, may asin siya, at lalagyan natin siya ng fresh tomato para mas lalong masarap, maasim-asim at matamis-tamis. At lagyan natin ng para maging class naman, luncheon meat imbes na hotdog kasi wala akong hotdog. May hotdog ako pero iisa lang. It's for me, it's my private. Joke lang po. At luncheon meat, di ba class naman? At ito yung panggisa. Iyan yung mga sangkap natin, mga rekado sa pagluluto ng spaghetti guys. So let's start. Our ingredients makes I prepared a garlic, this is the garlic, and also I put onions. This is our ingredients for cooking spaghetti, a simple spaghetti guys. So let's start. Let's prepare our ingredients. This is garlic. You know garlic guys? Garlic is very healthy because this garlic, if you have high blood and cholesterol, this garlic is good for you, good for health. And you know guys, the garlic is so important to our daily needs, especially when you are cooking. This is a number one ingredients to our recipe. There's a lot of use this how to make how to cook your food, and also this garlic is medicine also, especially in the voice, if you are have what do you mean that your private nut stud, this erectile dysfunctions, if you eat this and put in your cook, your private stand up and strong. Joke, okay? So, and this is the onion, the onion. It's so healthy also. So guys, these are our ingredients is so healthy. These onions and garlic. This is the number one ingredients to our food. Okay, so let's start. This onion is very hard. I'm so crying because of the onion. So now these are ingredients finished. Look at this garlic and onions. So guys, look at this, this is a filler. I buy this, I've used every time when I make a spaghetti. These carrots like this to fill out, to filler these carrots. This is important when you are cooking and prepared. And this is a filler, I've used every time when I'm cooking spaghetti and I open these carrots. It's so easy and faster to use this. So after that, I buy also this grinder, So I grind these carrots like this. The work is so easy, so fast. That's why I buy this grater. Grater, I mean grater. Not grinder, grater. So, look at that. So easy and faster. This grater carrots, you know. And also, filler, I buy this. So guys, I give a technique really when you're cooking anything good, you prepare this filler and grater. This is the most important using for our everyday cooking, you know. So let's get it. So guys, look at this. It's fast to grate these carrots. So now it's finished our ingredients. This is our onion, garlic. And by the way guys, I prepared also tomato, you know. So the spaghetti is so yummy. We have combinations of sour, sweet. I put tomato for spaghetti sauce. So this is tomato guys, carrots, look at that. The color combinations orange and I don't know this color, orange also, or I don't know, it's red or I don't know, it's orange. So you know the vitamins of this tomato. This is a vitamin E and have a lycopene to fight cancer, and also these carrots, your good at eyesight and your skin beautiful. So guys, let's start. So guys, my frying pan start heat and I cook spaghetti sauce. So I teach to all of you on how to make a spaghetti sauce. So watch me and to make a spaghetti sauce. I teach to all of you guys, okay? So now guys, my frying pan is very hot and I put oil. So after a minute guys, the oil is very hot and I put garlic, you know, this is a garlic. Put in the frying pan. Let's cook this garlic. And this one. So the garlic's cook and look at that. After this garlic color brown, you put onions combined together and mix well. So guys, our garlic and onion combined together. This now cook. I put a tomato combined together, garlic, onion, and tomato. So the spaghetti is so tasty with combination of sweet and sour. This is a spaghetti Filipino style. It's naturally. So guys, look at that. Our ingredients is cooked now. Is tomato, garlic, and onion. We combine together. After that, wow, so fat and long. Look like a donkey. So I put a minced beef. You know this? I buy this for real in the supermarket. This is a beef mince. So guys, I cook this beef and I mix well to our ingredients. Onions, garlic, tomato. We combine together, cooking Wow, so smell good and tasty, so delicious. This is how to make a spaghetti sauce, you know. So watch my video, so you know how to cook a spaghetti sauce. And this is ingredients and how to cook a spaghetti sauce like this. So guys, our ingredients cook now. So I put a black pepper, you know, this is a black pepper. I put together, combine these ingredients like garlic, onions, tomato, minced beef, and black pepper. Now our ingredients cook. I put again carrots. By adding carrots, this is carrots. So the spaghetti is so delicious and yummy. Our spaghetti sauce. I put carrots also. They mix together, combine our all ingredients. So guys, look at that. Our ingredients cook now, and I add cream. So your spaghetti is so yummy and tasty. I put cream, you know. This is cream. So your sauce is so delicious and yummy. Wow guys, look at that all. My spaghetti sauce is so yummy and delicious. And after that, all put ingredients, I add also tomato sauce that we call ketchup. Without that, the spaghetti is no good taste. This is the important role of this spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce or ketchup. This is ketchup, banana sweet. So mix it well. Wow, look at that. This is my spaghetti sauce, Filipino spaghetti style. So if you like to cook spaghetti, just watch me, and this is how to cook spaghetti sauce. So after that, I mix water and mix well. Wow. Just wait 10 minutes to boil this spaghetti sauce. Look at that. So yummy and delicious. This is spaghetti sauce, guys. Wow, after a minute, the spaghetti is boiling now. Look at that. So it smells good. So delicious. Look at that, my spaghetti sauce. It's creamy and yummy because I put creamy milk, you know, milk cream. Wow, it's so tasty, yummy, my spaghetti sauce. So if you like how to cook spaghetti sauce, just watch my video. For sure, you like your family eating spaghetti like this. So yummy and delicious. Look at that. It's so delicious, really, really delicious. It's tasty, you know. So just boil more 5 minutes again. Guys, after wait my spaghetti sauce, I prepared beef luncheon. Look at that. Because I have no hot dog, I put luncheon beef. Look at that, so delicious. So guys, after 10 minutes, Look at that, my yummy and creamy spaghetti sauce. It's already cooked now. It's done. Look at that. Wow. It's yummy and delicious. My spaghetti sauce. So, I add again luncheon meat. Wow, this is a luncheon meat. So many ingredients. So my spaghetti, it's so delicious, really. If you want like this, just follow and watch my video. So your spaghetti sauce is so delicious. This is my spaghetti sauce. Now, my spaghetti is cooked now. Just a little bit cooking, and after this I prepared how to cook spaghetti pasta. I prepared how to cook. Okay, so watch me guys. And now it's done, it's finished. Cook my spaghetti sauce. So guys, now I teach to all of you how to cook spaghetti pasta. Just put a water. It's up to you, and what is grams cook your spaghetti. This is spaghetti pasta half kilo. So just put maybe 2 liters of water. Just add salt and add oil, so your spaghetti is no sticky. So just boil it 10 minutes. Okay, so guys, after 10 minutes your water is boiling now. Then this is a spaghetti half kilo, and put here don't broken. Just put in the boiling water like this. This is a half kilo spaghetti. So let's boil again and waiting. Just mix it and boil again and again and again. So just wait. So guys, take note. After you boil this spaghetti, just mix very well, because this spaghetti may be sticky. So let's separate together like this. Mix well, so your spaghetti no sticky. Okay guys. So guys, hope you have learning my video how to cook spaghetti, my spaghetti sauce, and how to cook spaghetti pasta like this. Hope all of you have learning how to cook spaghetti, a simple spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti like this. So if you like to know how to cook spaghetti like this, just watch my video guys. There's a lot of video on my folder. You watch Pobreng Kapampangan, my YouTube channels. I have more recipe there, and there's a lot of learning how to cook Filipino food. You know, because I am Kapampangan. You know, the Kapampangan is there's many Kapampangan, a very good cooker here in the Philippines. I'm proud to be a Kapampangan. So guys, enjoy watching my videos. Hope we enjoyed a lot, and hope we have learning how to cook. And this is my recipe how to cook spaghetti. So guys, thank you. Have a nice day and God bless. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page, Pobre Kapampangan, guys. And I mix this spaghetti pasta. So the spaghetti no sticky, just separate it like this. Okay guys, have a nice day. God bless again. Hope you have learning how to cook this spaghetti. And saying that if you are genius, you're not using, it's better than smart. What is that? Mas kahit na ikaw matalino, mas lalamangan pa rin ng madiskarte ang matatalino. Bakit? Kasi kung ikaw nga ay matalino, hindi mo naman ginagamit, useless. Madiskarte ka at magaling, daig mo pa ang matalino. So, if you are genius, if you are not using, useless. It's better than smart. The smart is better than genius. Okay. So guys, enjoy watching. So guys, my spaghetti pasta. Let's try if this pasta is soft or not. You tried your spaghetti is soft. If this hard or soft, try it. Now it's okay. My spaghetti pasta. Now my spaghetti pasta is already cooking. Look at that. You know how to cook spaghetti pasta? Just add salt, oil, and water. It's up to you, your spaghetti pasta, how many kilos, and this water combines. If this mix combines, if this 1/2 kilo of your spaghetti, you mix 2 liters. If more pasta spaghetti, more water of course. So your spaghetti, it's cooking good. So guys, now my spaghetti pasta is already done. It's okay now. So let's put in a bowl. It's already done now, my spaghetti pasta. Now guys, let out this my spaghetti pasta. I put a strainer so the water out, and I put my bowl. You prepared a strainer like this guys, because it is the important. And out the water of your spaghetti pasta, and put in our bowl. So now my spaghetti pasta already done, cook now, finish. You know the important of oil, because your spaghetti too much and this put oil, so your spaghetti no sticky. That's why your spaghetti good. Now finish, already done. So guys, let's eat. This is spaghetti pasta. Now I finish cooking my spaghetti pasta. Look at that. This is my spaghetti pasta, and this is my sauce. So let's try my spaghetti sauce. Look at that. So delicious and yummy. It's creamy. I put milk cream and beef and luncheon beef. So guys, look at that.
Wow, it's creamy and yummy. Let's eat na. This is my spaghetti. So let's try eat my spaghetti. So yummy and delicious, my spaghetti. So let's eat. Look at this, my spaghetti. Wow. Let's mix it before I eat. So many spaghetti because I'm not eating a breakfast now, combination with the breakfast and dinner and lunch together. This is combination of breakfast and lunch. That's it. So yummy. I put luncheon meat and also milk cream. That's why my spaghetti so tasty. Look at that, my spaghetti. It's creamy and delicious. So tasty. My spaghetti is more. Look at that. Because this is my breakfast and lunch combines together only one time. This is the time of overseas workers, Filipino here in abroad, combined with altanghap. You know altanghap? Altanghap means almusal, tanghalian, hapunan. That's why my spaghetti is more. So with combinations breakfast and lunch. After an hour, I eat again a dinner. So guys, enjoy and have a nice days. Enjoy watching my videos and on how to cook a spaghetti Filipino style. Hope you learning how to cook spaghetti like this. So follow my instruction, my recipe, so that your spaghetti is good and tasty like this. Okay. God bless. Enjoy watching.